This video I will tell you that how to tag someone on a Facebook page. So if you have a page on Facebook and if you wanted to tag some other pages in your post, then how you can do this? First of all, you will open up Facebook, and the first thing that you have to do is to switch to your page profile. So I will tap on my profile image at the top right here, and I will tap on this drop down arrow here, and I will tap on my Facebook page, and it will switch to my Facebook page profile. And then again I will tap on my page image here, I will tap on my name here, and if I scroll down here I will make a post what's on your mind. Now it's a little bit different if you are actually tagging someone in the page post. So you will write something here, and then you will enter this at the rate sign, and then you will enter the name of the page. So let's suppose I wanted to tag this one, PUBG. So now I have tagged the official PUBG mobile page in my Facebook page post. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.